Hello.
Hey
there. Here we're doing a video just to show you our work in progress and maybe some completed projects. So you want to start first?
You can start.
Hi. I hope you guys are doing fine or safe and yeah. Okay, go.
So this is a project I've been working on for a while now, but I've stopped since it's summer and it's hot to crochet this, so.
Yeah. And plus you'll not be able to use it too.
Yeah, it's a sweater. You can't really see it so well, but I already started on, wait, did I? Oh, I already started on the sleeves, kind of. I think they got them done.
Oh, you pulled it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you show it really good in there? I don't know.
That's pretty good.
Anyway, if you want the pattern, do press the like button. Maybe in that way she will get motivated.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So she does have the graph already made, so it'll be a little bit easier. So it's just kind of like the rest of the sweater.
I guess, yeah, true.
So I'm doing this turban for my sister-in-law. It's pretty cool. And I'm planning to do other ones. I haven't finished. There's still some tails that I need to hide. But yes, I'm planning to do it in other colors, so it looked pretty cool. It's almost done though. You have another working oh yes, you do. Well, once you get that, I just wanted to show you. These are completed projects. So I did a bunch of this. I was planning to do the video for the 4th of July, but it took a little bit longer than I was supposed to. So yes. Oh, I should have showed the turtle again. So I will be posting the tutorial. I don't know if I have posted by now, or if I haven't, just be on the lookout. Oh, me? Okay. So yeah, and this is another completed project. So I finished editing finally the second part of this. So I will be posting it before this video. So yeah, just check if you can find the tutorial for this. Will be under the playlist of Amigurumi stuff. Yeah. Here, the little turtle. So cute. Okay, go ahead.
And a soon addition to those videos will be
so cute.
what I'm working on. It's a rabbit bunny, but I haven't done the arms or the legs yet, so.
Oh, and she bought the fabric.
Yeah, the fabric.
No, yarn.
Yarn. the yarn at Hobby Lobby in a haul.
Yeah.
And so.
Show more. I love the
ears.
It's
really nice. I really like this yarn, and it's really like soft too.
Yes, and this is how it kind of looks like when it's on its natural state.
We'll put the name of this yarn in the description since I can't find the thing it came with now. So.
And I forgot to say the yarn for this one is I love this yarn. It's All Glory, so you can check it. And this one are oh no, some of Peaches are cream, and these are some Dollar General yarn, but I will review this one later, or maybe here. Just give me a second. That's all you have?
Yeah, that's
okay.
All. That's all.
And I also have another work in progress. She cannot see part of it, but no, you can see because you've seen this.
Oh, okay.
So you guys, if you know, well, you cannot tell by this, but you know this character, say it in the comments below, but I'm not gonna say the name. So this is the head. This pattern I didn't design it, but maybe I put in the description below the creator of this pattern. And now don't look. Okay. so you know how I look. Okay. So I'm doing this for Juliana. So here, let me see here. Let me put it.
The head.
Yeah, the head goes like this, and it goes like this. I don't know if you can tell. Let me move this to the side. Yeah, you got an idea of who she is? Yeah, she's super cool. And I have other parts in here. These are like the arms, and she have this in her mouth, and this is gonna be her hair. Oh gosh, okay, her hair is gonna be, oh gosh, her hair is gonna be like this. Now you kind of have an idea, right? Okay, yeah. So the body, the arms, and the shape of the head. Oh gosh, you cannot see here. Here's her eyes. I took it from a pattern. I will leave you the link in the description below. She also have a video. Also will leave it in the description below. Yeah, I got that from that pattern, but the clothes and the rest of the stuff, this is the only thing I got from the pattern, the body, the base. But the clothes, I designed it, part of the clothes, and this here, the hair, I also designed it. So yes, oh, and this thing here too, that the thing that goes in the mouth. So also I'm planning to do a graduation gown. When I finish all these accessories and parts and finish the whole, I will leave a tutorial on how to do all these accessories. If you want to do the base, just go to the description below. She does explain it in different languages, and she also had the written patterns, so you should be able to do it no problem. So I still need to do the sleeve here, and I kind of wanted to do it in single crochet, but I wanted to hurry up and do it, so I did it in double crochet to make it faster. But there's like a lot of holes in between, but I'll still cover, like it will still cover somewhat anyways. So yeah, later on I will post the tutorial when I finish the doll. Yeah, I know that she actually have like a brown robe, but for this I just want like a graduation robe, and maybe later on I'll do the robe in a different video than the one that I'm gonna do the rest of the parts. I'll post that when I'll do it, so maybe it will be the same this time, but just in brown. So maybe when I post this one and just show you how to do the brown, just change the color. Let me hide it so Juliana can be in the video again. Okay, Juliana, you can come back. Okay, so these ones here, they are like Dollar Tree yarn. Surprisingly, they're pretty soft. Yeah. We haven't used this one.
Especially this one. This one's really soft.
Oh yeah, it's Chanel. Can you say the color? Oh, these are size 4 acrylic, and the color is orange.
Wait, does it have a color?
You have. Oh, that one is 100% polyester. It's Chanel. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. I don't know. Look for it. I bet this one is green. I don't know.
Oh, 100%
pink. Yeah, they're very creative with their colors. And I don't know. I don't see it. Does this one even have?
It's probably just
green.
Princess
yarn. Maybe it doesn't even have.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is Princess yarn, 100% acrylic. So anyway, we just wanted to share that with you.
And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more from us, please subscribe. So.
And do the notification bell too. And
smash the notification bell, I guess.
So in that way you can receive notification when we get a new video. And hopefully we'll be doing more videos like this ones, like work in progress, completed projects. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and success in your project. And I'll be till the next one.
Ciao.
Okay, so that's it. Let us know.
Okay.
We should keep that. Anyways, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Press the like button if you like it, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And we'll be having more work in progress and completed project videos, right? Yeah. So Julian agree with that. She's really into doing a lot of crochet work right now. So that's it.
Yeah.
You want to?
So it'll be till the next one. Oh, but you already said that.
Oh, I did. Okay, sorry. Anyway, take care. Success in your project. Hug. Keep safe.
And it'll be till the next one. Ciao.